Mega shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart. Once again guys, we will doing the unboxing. So our favorite video. I just came from my old place there in Albarcia because I wanted to buy this certain thing because I started again now doing a podcast or live streaming in YouTube, and I have here actually I used my old ones, but it seems it's no longer working properly, so I decided to buy a new things for my for my new podcast, or I mean for my live stream. So here you go guys. I went there because there's no like this here in my place. So tadadang, so I buy, the brand is Icon. So Icon live recording condenser microphone set. So this one, yes, so we have it here guys. We bought it. So we have here the sound card size, built-in battery, cabinet materials, mic control, rotating knob functions, etc. and dummy speaker diameter, microphone styles, etc. So this is the one. I'll show you and I will do the unboxing guys. I'm so excited actually because it gives me like 2 hours lang ako pumunta doon, and then ito nabili ko na siya agad guys. So here we go, we will do the unboxing. Actually I saw this one online, the set, but I never opened. So still sealed. Yes, yeah, it's still sealed, not yet opened because I used the sample there, and let's see how it goes. Okay, we will do the unboxing properly. I'm so excited this one. So here we go. The first thing you will see is, what's this? Yes, the filter, the music filter. It will be attached. Yes, this one guys. So then we have it here, the foam, and everything is there. So what is inside? I want to share it to you guys. The first thing is, here is the foam for the microphone, and here is the microphone. Yeah, I guess this is the one. So like this. Okay, so here you go. There's the microphone. Then here's the I guess the control when you open this one for the stand. What's next? The wirings. A lot of wirings here. So I will check later on how to use this. A lot of wirings guys. So we will do the manual. Yeah, here. So yeah, so input output, what are those things? So let's check later on what is this for. This one, we have here the okay, the mic holder, the wire for the mic, and this is the handle. Oh, and there's a set of headset. Headset is together with this one, so we will check this one. Oh, this one. So it's included. And then the most awaited part, guys, is the sound card itself. The sound card. The sound card itself. So there's a mic volume, there's a bass control, there's a recording volume, accompaniment volume, accompaniment 2, reverb. This is the monitor, and there is love, keys, love, etc. Sing, dodge, notice. So this is all. Thank you so much, and we will install this one, guys, and I'll let you know if this is how it goes. There you go. Thank you so much for watching.